Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Đó là thành cái này.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Các bạn muốn nhá.
In the world of Kung Fu, define win.
Một duluan.
It's not a way to hurt someone, but it's
Aku tank di solo sih macam kalian. Maafin ada ya. Aku tank solo nya. Iya.
Launch attack!
Itu
Masuknya, udah.
It's not a way to hurt. The man who can beat me, nothing more.
Destroy the turret! Initiate retreat!
It's not a way to hurt someone, but it's more. The man who can beat me, nothing more. The man who can beat me, nothing more.
ini dengan Tuhan yang
Initiate retreat!
Kesana putih. Gimana?
The world of Kung Fu, speed. Not a way to hurt someone, but it's more. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
An enemy has been slain.
Total ya?
Not knowing himself.
Nah, iya mah yang cari tuh digambar.
Ini berarti semua orang. Mana sih? Kasihan grup kasihan nggak Sherly, no Berly.
Knowing is not enough. Not knowing himself.
Tolak.
in order to fill it again.
An enemy has been slain.
Combo nama.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
An ally has been slain.
Amat ya. Udah turun.
You destroyed a turret.
Berkorban.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Boxing is not a way to hurt someone, but in war. In the world of kung fu, speed defines the winner. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
You are resurrecting soon. An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
In order to fill it again.
Ke bawah.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Kok kurang di halangan sini nak. Saya pernah supaya ulah.
Knowing is not enough.
Supaya ulah mantuan
We
wak.
must fly.
Saya pernah supaya ulah mantuan warga jang hari guys. Ini siapa sih nanti gebu ganti grill. Ayo siap.
In the world of kung fu,
Oh nu mantuan nggak depes dah. Sini-sini
Launch
naik.
attack. An enemy team destroyed the turret. An enemy has been slain.
Nah, masa orang itu lagi doain yo.
the man who can beat me has not been
Mega kill. Killing spree. Wiped out.
not a way to hurt someone, but in war. Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Mana setelah tadi nih?
Define the winner.
Initiate retreat.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Initiate retreat.
Mana si Demetrius masih yang ambil?
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in war.
Mega kill.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Kabur. Itu sayangnya.
Team destroy the turret.
Pulang.
Team destroy the turret.
Diri mau tahu? Ada bang?
Boxing is not a way to
Kalau
hurt
tanah tahu ya
but in
tahu.
war, not knowing oneself.
Nah, kalau telat dan ada selang sirup, kita selamat.
Cuma kalau ada waktu.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
An enemy attack slain. Godlike.
Oh, salah.
Request backup.
Boxing is not a way to hurt someone, but in war,
An enemy has been slain.
Nah, tabrakin kan. Bisa nabrak doang ya. Sombong.
defiance.
Udah damage. Ya udah damage.
Not knowing oneself. That's the word.
An ally has been slain.
Konyol kalau jauh.
Knowing is
Oh, blok saber. Tenang ngelok si Amar saber. Emang gitu enak mau dobrak pula man. Nyuruh tuh kan man.